Alright, let's look at the homework 7.1, problem number 4. Alright, so let's use the integration by parts to find this, evaluate this integral. Alright, first I'm gonna let this guy u and this guy dv. Alright, then so we take the derivative of the first guy, so we have 4 e to the 4 theta. Antiderivative sign is negative cosine of 5 theta over 5. Alright, so then all you have to do is first one, you multiply diagonally. So you will get, let's see, it's a negative 1 over 5, I meant 5. E to the 4 theta times cosine of 5 theta minus integral. Alright, then we multiply sideways there. Alright, so we have, let's see, 4/5 e to the 4 theta cosine of 5 theta d theta. Right, and I forgot the negative sign, so I incorporate the negative sign to make it a positive there. Alright, then second integration by parts. So I'm gonna first write down the first term is already finished, so it's a negative 1 over 5 e to the 4 theta cosine of 5 theta plus, right, take the derivative of the first guy, you get 16 over 5 e to the 4 theta, and the antiderivative of the second guy would be sine of 5 theta over 5, right? Then multiply diagonally to get the first term. Right, so we have, let's see, 4 over 5 times 5, so it's 25. E to the 4 theta sine of 5 theta, right, minus integral. Alright, then you multiply sideways. So you get, let's see, I'm gonna put this the constant outside, so maybe I'll move this a little bit. All right, so it's a 16 over 25 outside, then integral. All right, then you have e to the 4 theta and the sine of 5 theta and d theta. All right. So you notice that here, this is going to be the first guy. First guy is, I'm going to call this guy I. So I'm going to call this I. And you notice that there is actually I showing up again. So this is actually exactly the same integral as the integral we're trying to find. All right. So we can actually solve for I. So I'm gonna add 16 over 25i to both sides. So if you add 16 over 25i to I, you know you're gonna have, let's see, 25 plus 16, so it's a 41 over 25i is equal to, alright, so we have these two terms. Let's see, maybe we should pull out something. So we have something in common, so we definitely have e to the 4 theta in common. So I'll probably write that down, e to the 4 theta. Alright, and also we have, let's see, 1 over 25 might be something you might want to pull out. So it's over 25 So if you pull that out, we can cancel 25 there, and then pull out the 1 over 25. So this is going to becomes, let's see, pull that out. So you're going to have 5. So this is going to be multiplied by 5, because if you pull out 1 over 25, you would have to multiply by 5. So you're going to have 5 there. All right, then I think that's about all we can do. So here, I'm going to put this guy first because there's a negative sign here. I'm going to put the 4 sine of 5 theta and minus, there's a 5 cosine of 5 theta. Right? Have that. Then we just have to multiply both sides by 25 over 41. Right? So I is going to be equal to, right? So 25 over 41 times e to the 4 theta over 25. Then maybe I should put the square bracket. So 4 sine of 5 theta minus 5 cosine of 5 theta. And since this is an indefinite integral, we probably want to put plus c. Right? Then we can just clean up a bit. So you have a 25 and 25 cancel out. So you get e to the 4 theta over 41. Then you have the same thing. So let's type it in. All right, so we got e to the 4 theta, all right, over 41, and times 4 sine of 5 theta minus 5 cosine of 5 theta. All right, and then plus some constant c. All right, so let's double check, submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.